Boost your family's income. Step-by-step guide. Increasing your family's income can lead to financial security, more opportunities, and less stress. Here's how you can maximize your household's earning potential, one step at a time. 1. Assess your current financial situation. Start by reviewing your household's current income and expenses. This will help you understand where you stand financially and identify areas where you can make improvements. Track all income sources: salary, freelance work, investments, side gigs, etc. Analyze your expenses. Categorize spending: housing, utilities, groceries, etc. Spot areas where you can cut back. 2. Create a family budget. A well-planned budget helps ensure you are using your money wisely and saving for the future. List monthly expenses and compare them to your income. Set aside a portion for savings and emergencies. Find opportunities to reduce non-essential spending. 3. Invest in education and skills. Education is a powerful tool for boosting income potential. Help your family members enhance their skills to increase career opportunities. Encourage upgrading current skills. Example, certifications, online courses. Explore family-wide learning opportunities to increase job prospects for all. 4. Start a side hustle. Encourage every family member to explore a side hustle or freelance work that can bring in extra money. Even small gigs can make a big difference. Use skills like writing, tutoring, graphic design, or even babysitting to generate extra income. Explore gig economy jobs, Uber, DoorDash, etc. for flexible hours. And hey, starting a side hustle is like planting a money tree. Just remember, you still have to water it with effort. And who knows, today's babysitting gig could be tomorrow's babysitting empire. So please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 5. Optimize tax strategy. Minimize tax liability through smart tax planning. Speak to a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure you are taking full advantage of deductions and credits. Keep records of tax-deductible expenses, medical, education, home office. Consider contributing to tax advantage accounts like IRAs or HSAs. 6. Save and invest for the future. Growing wealth takes time, and investing wisely can multiply your income over the long term. Open a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. Start investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate if you're ready for long-term growth. Consider setting up college savings account for children to secure their educational future. 7. Look for passive income opportunities. Passive income streams are a great way to earn money without active involvement. Explore options that can generate income over time. Rent out a spare room or property. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. Consider creating an online business or digital products. Example, ebooks, courses that require little maintenance after setup. 8. Cut unnecessary costs. Reducing unnecessary spending can free up cash that you can redirect into savings or investments. Cancel subscriptions and memberships you don't use. Buy in bulk and look for deals to save on everyday essentials. Negotiable bills. Example, internet, insurance to lower monthly expenses. 9. Build multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income can be risky. Strive to build multiple streams of revenue for added security. Encourage family members to diversify their career paths or business ventures. Invest in stocks, real estate, or other opportunities for additional passive income. 10. Plan for long-term financial goals. Having a clear vision for your financial future will keep your family focused and motivated to keep building wealth. Set achievable short-term and long-term goals. Example, buy a house, retirement savings, vacation fund. Create a financial plan with specific steps and timelines to reach those goals. Regularly review your financial progress and adjust as needed. By following these steps, your family can work together to increase income, save for the future, and build a solid financial foundation. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your family's income grow. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey to maximize your family's income. Remember, the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Every small step you take today brings you closer to the life you dream of tomorrow. You have the power to create magic in your financial future, and every choice you make is a spark that can set a bigger, brighter flame. So as you move forward with these steps, know the abundance, opportunities, and success are all within your reach. Stay positive, stay focused and keep working together as a family to build your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the magic with others who could use a little extra spark in their financial journey. Until next time, keep shining bright. Your best financial days are ahead.